over! I'm making biscuits! Glad you could come over. I'm making biscuits. It's for one of my best friends who asked me for this recipe like months ago. And I'm sorry, it took me so long.
And welcome to another video by Sarah Sky. So Jackie, this video is for you. Here is that biscuit recipe. This only makes 4, but you'll need flour, salt, baking powder, baking soda, yogurt, sugar, and a little milk, along with a mixing bowl, 2 knives or a biscuit cutter, some measuring spoons, a cup measure, and a half cup measure. I use a line for my baking sheet, preheating the oven at 450 degrees, which takes a little bit to get up to. So it didn't actually preheat until I was finished making the biscuits. So here's my cup measure, and you want to do like a heaping cup because it's like a cup and 1/8. And then 2 tablespoons of butter or margarine. And then you can cut these in with 2 knives if you don't have a biscuit cutter. But I just wanted to show you how to do it. So you just cut it like that over and over and over until you blend all of the butter in there. Once you have all of the butter cut in, you want to add your baking powder. So you'll be adding 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. And then you want to add half a teaspoon of salt. You only need about 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. And then I add 1 teaspoon of sugar, because who doesn't like a little bit of sweetness? Followed by 1/2 cup of yogurt. So that's kind of the secret ingredient to making these moist, fluffy, and so delicious. And then I just add a little bit of milk. So I start by mixing all that yogurt in with a spoon or a knife or whatever. And then once it gets to the point where you can't really mix it anymore like that, just go ahead and put your hand in there and start kneading that dough. You want to get it to about this consistency. It's kind of like a shortbread dough. I don't know if you ever made shortbread, but it's pretty similar. You know, and then what you want to do is you'll be dividing that into 4 and putting them onto the baking sheet that's already lined. And then you'll be putting them into a 450 degree oven for 12 to 15 minutes. I usually do 12, and you'll see they come out just perfect. Oh yeah.
They look good. Ooh. Yeah. I wish they made smell-o-vision. Yeah. Biscuits are good, savory, and sweet. So, I recommend you make up some nooch gravy, if you can, or just some strawberry jam. Mmm. Bon appetit. Wish you were here, babe.